if you want to be trained in acting, there's only one person who can do that, and that's Taneja Saab.
The atmosphere that he created for all students made it possible for me to understand how it is to react to an actor who's standing in front of me. Because acting is not only about saying your own lines, but it's also about reacting to the other person.
He's a very, very realistic person, and he very simply puts acting to you, and he demystifies the entire ball game of acting, which I really liked.
I think he's a guru in the true sense. Someone who's extremely soft-spoken but gets the message through. Teaches you like probably he would teach his own.
मेरे ख्याल से हिंदुस्तान में सिर्फ एक ही there was only one professor, one teacher, one guru, and that was Taneja Saab. Or I think I had no other choice, so I had to go to the best, and Taneja Saab was the best. That's why I went to Taneja. मेरे ख्याल से हिंदुस्तान.
One thing about him, he never told us what we were doing was wrong ever. It was like, you can tweak it up or you can bring it down and not make it so filmy or so loud. But he'd never say, you're wrong, you're totally bogus, go home.
तो ये आइडिया मैंने उनके पास सीखा कि भूल जाओ कि आप कौन हो, आप कहाँ से आए हो, आपका क्या बैकग्राउंड है, whether you're from business or whether you're from a film family, whatever preconceived notion जो आपके मन में है उनको बाहर रखते हुए आप कैरेक्टर के बारे में सोचो and just perform thinking that you're that character.
I have met very few teachers in my life who have inspired me. It was Taneja Saab who opened my mind as an actor. Taneja Saab taught me the importance of tenderness, of kindness, of patience, apart from everything he gave me as an actor.
Training people with his way of मतलब आपको समझाना और एक एक लाइन इतनी खूबसूरती से समझाते थे. If you really want to do something good and if you listen to him, there's no way you can misfire.
I have a list of people I feel completely indebted to, and he is one of them.
He was very indirect. He used to draw out from you by giving you improvisations, by giving you action problems, and then analyze it for us.
And the first thing he told us is, 3 महीने तक तुम्हें एक्टिंग नहीं करना है. पहले एक्टिंग को भूल जाओ. And you start searching for yourself. अपने आप को आप पहचानो. आप कौन हो? आप कहाँ से आए हो? क्यों हो? ये सब सारे सवाल. उसके बाद फिर एक्टिंग नहीं करना है. मैंने कहा हम एक्टिंग सीखने आए हैं और एक्टिंग नहीं करना बोल रहे हैं सर. एंड देन लेटर वी डिस्कवर्ड इट वाज कि नेचुरल एक्टिंग करना कितना मुश्किल है. ही यूज्ड टू से बिहेव. सपोज इफ यू आर इन दिस सिचुएशन, हाउ विल यू बिहेव? दिस वाज द टीचिंग प्रोसेस.
Saab not only has devised a method which is unique, which is of his own, he also teaches in a way that caters to, that understands the needs of individual students.
रोशन तनेजा को मैं सही मानों में अपना गुरु मानती हूँ. पूरी दुनिया में वही एक शख्स हैं जिनके पाँव में छूती हूँ. मैं अपने आप को बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझती हूँ कि प्रोफेसर रोशन तनेजा से मुझे ट्रेनिंग मिली है. एक्टिंग क्या है वो आपको नहीं सिखाते, वो ज़िंदगी क्या है वो आपको सिखाते हैं. I am a firm and complete believer in training, and I want to say categorically that if you want to learn acting, there can be no better teacher than Roshan Taneja.
I belong to first batch, so he was also a new teacher. His teachings helped me in solving the problems when I face while taking performance by actors and writing a characterizations. And I can see that the right pauses, right reaction nuances. So all these things. So Taneja has a lot of impact on all of us. And as a filmmaker also, I would say that his teachings have been very, very valuable in my life.